guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a creamy strawberry agua fresca. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin blending. Alrighty guys, so here I already washed and removed the stem from 2 pounds of fresh strawberries. So once we have them, we're going to transfer them to our blender cup. To that, we're going to add half a teaspoon of strawberry concentrate. This is going to help with the color as well as the flavor. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to be blending with 5 cups of water. Okay, so now just blend it to smooth. Okay, so once we have it, we know we can transfer it to our pitcher. Okay, so transfer it to a pitcher. Okay, to that we're going to add 3 cups of milk, or you can use water if you want to keep it all water-based. 1 cup of heavy cream, and 20 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Okay, so we're just going to mix well. Okay, so here you want to taste it for sugar and see if you want to add any more. But for me, this is always perfect. So now we can get ready to serve. And I always like to serve, you know, my cup of ice so like that my agua fresca doesn't get diluted. So I already have my cup with ice. Going to be adding some fresh strawberries. Okay, and get ready to serve. Top it with more strawberries and straw. Cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. In under 5 minutes, you have this delicious agua fresca. It's really refreshing, creamy, and it's honestly the best. Of course, you know the sweetness, you always get to adjust it to your liking, and also depending on how sweet your strawberries are, but honestly, the best. So cheers and enjoy. So good. Now let me tell you, if you like my strawberry horchata, you're most definitely going to love this one. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super creamy and refreshing strawberry agua fresca. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.